Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Monday, January 9th, 2023.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be fair with a high of 70 degrees and a low of 36 degrees.
I'm just going to cut it straight based on how it's looking. It does not look like snow, and as you can see in this part of the town. Today in history, in 1790, in New York City, George Washington makes the U.S. State of the Union address.
Wow. Not sure what that means, but cool.
Now for weird but true. The hearts of some hummingbirds can beat faster than 1,000 times a minute.
Wow.
That's really fast.
That's fast. How much hot sauce have they been drinking? Now here's Everett for So Cute I Can't. Clap.
Okay. For the first time since the species was discovered, baby Galapagos pink iguanas have been seen in the islands. First described in 2009, the species was immediately recognized as facing a serious risk of extinction. Only between 200 to 300 iguanas are thought to exist on Wolf Volcano on Isabel Island. Cameras confirmed the major threat to the pink iguanas are non-native feral cats. Knowledge will go a long way towards creating a strategy that can save the reptile.
Woo! But you didn't know, there are about 1 billion bacteria in your mouth right now.
Okay.
That's strange.
Now here's Grayson and Ellie for the joke of the day.
Wow. What's the best part about living in Switzerland?
I don't know, Ellie. What is it?
I don't know, but the flag is a big plus.
Is that the... Oh, because it has a plus on it. Oh, that makes sense. That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Carter.
And I'm Bailey.
That's Larry, and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bump it, bump, 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 bump. See you next time.